Hi, my name is Ellie and this is Planning and Finances. On my channel here you'll find videos about personal finance, budgeting, planning and some ad hoc in between. So today I'm talking about the pros and cons of overpaying on your mortgage, paying your mortgage down early. If this is something you're interested in, please stick around. Hi. I think pro number one has to be paying less interest. Over the course of your mortgage, your interest is calculated on a daily basis, which means that your interest is front loaded on your mortgage, meaning at the start of your mortgage, you might pay €1,000 and probably only 300 of that is going off the principal of your mortgage. So when you're looking at paying extra payments off your mortgage, the best time to do it is at the start of your mortgage to get the full benefit of it. If you go online, you can use an online overpayment calculator to see how much you could potentially save on your mortgage every month by making small overpayments. I'm going to take you onto the computer and show you an example of this. This is the website that I use and I'll leave it linked below so you can check it out afterwards. So what I'm going to do is, this is a 30-year mortgage with an interest rate of 3%, which I think is average right now, and just say it's 300,000. So if you put in an overpayment of €100 and hit calculate, it'll show you here, this is what your current repayment is, your new repayment. Cost of credit is your interest, it's 155, and with paying an extra €100 amount, you're only paying 132. So you are saving yourself over €20,000 in interest over the term of your mortgage, and you are also coming down to 26 years and 5 months instead of 30. So then if you just want to adjust that, bring it to 200 a month extra, and you can see the difference. That's now brought it down to 117 for your interest and 23 years. So you are saving 6 years, just over 6 years on your mortgage. Put your own figures in here. You can put what term you have left on your mortgage, your interest rate and what your balance is on your mortgage now, and then put in these figures and see what it comes up with. So now moving on to pro number two. I think pro number two is the potential to retire early. So if you have your mortgage paid off, if you're paying off that overpayment every month, it's reducing the term of your mortgage, as you've seen in the video we just looked at. So you could shave 5, 10, 15 years off your mortgage, meaning you could come to 40, 45, 50 years of age and be mortgage free. And if you would be mortgage free, would saving that amount of money every month give you the option to retire or to go part-time? That's something I think I look at. My husband is a chef and they don't always work till later in life, and that is something that we've considered. And pro number three is reducing your monthly mortgage payment. So in the previous pro number two, we talked about the potential to retire early by reducing the term of your mortgage. Another option when you are overpaying on your mortgage is to reduce your monthly payment on your mortgage rather than the term. So you would still keep the same term on the mortgage. So each month when you make an overpayment, the bank will recalculate your mortgage. They will send you out a letter to say your new mortgage payment is now €350. So going forward then, every month your payment will be €350, and if you make an overpayment, then it will reduce again next month. This leaves you with the option of freeing up cash on a monthly basis, and then you can choose at the end of the month how much left over you have to put extra towards your payment. If you're in a good position, you could put a good chunk off your mortgage. If you've been having a lot going on that month and you don't have as much left over, you don't have to make an extra payment that month, or you can make a payment of a small amount. But 10, 15, €20, I think everything counts. Pro number four, to modify your payments. So if you've been overpaying for a few years and you've been reducing the term of your mortgage, you've been continuing every month to pay the higher amount while reducing the term. So say you come to a stage where you've probably got about a year overpayment on your mortgage, and one of you loses your job or something bad happens and you are financially stuck. You can go back to the bank and you can talk to the bank and you can ask them to put your term back up on your mortgage. So you can put that year back onto your mortgage, which would reduce your monthly payment. So it would give you the option of doing that rather than taking a holiday break from your mortgage. Because by taking a holiday break from your mortgage, you're going to pay more interest on your mortgage than was originally calculated. So I think this is a great benefit that, like that, if your circumstances change, you can go back to the bank and get your mortgage recalculated and pay a lower amount each month. So we talked about all the pros that I can think of. If there's any more, please mention them below. But the con that I see and what I hear other people talking about is the lost opportunity of investing. So they are talking about what you could potentially invest in and gain more money on. You could put the overpayment you make of €200, you could have put that into your pension, which would have saved you money on taxes and also would give you more money towards your pension when you retire, as it's been compounding and obviously being reinvested over those many years. So with saying that, that's what you have to think of. Is that investment opportunity a pro for you? Is that something that you would rather do with your money? If so, well then don't overpay on your mortgage. Interest rates are so low, you probably will make more money reinvesting it. But for myself, I would like the option to have my mortgage paid off earlier, and that's my personal preference. I hope you enjoyed this video of my pros and cons for overpaying on your mortgage, and if you have anything to add to that, please drop them in the comments below and I would love to read them. But also, if this is your first video, maybe you could go over and check out my previous video, which is to do with emergency funds and how much do you actually really need in your emergency fund. Till next time, take care. Bye.